Hello users and welcome to our channel. In this video we will see about how to import your payments, prepayments and overpayments from Xero to Odoo. So let's get started. Whenever we have opened the instance, a payment which will be imported from over here. So there are three ways a payment can be imported from Xero to Odoo. So there is payment, there is prepayment, there are overpayment. So there are three types of payment from Xero and here will be imported. Now whenever we open the instance from over here, in the configuration we have an option to enable the automatic import of the payment. So whenever we don't want to do the process manually, we want it to be running in the background, you can check this box and there will be a CRON that will be running in the background, which is this one. So all your payments will be imported from Xero for every one day, which is set up over here, and it will be running in the background without any manual processing. So there are two ways. So first is the manual process, and other is this cron job. Currently I'll show you the manual process, how to import your payments from Xero to Odoo. So whenever we go to the Xero account, I'll show you the types of payment. So there are payments for, so there is no particular tab where you can see all the payments from Xero. So let's go to the invoices. Here you can see a paid filter where you can see all the payments that are done. So let's say suppose open this a particular payment. So when you go to any of the invoice, go to the payment tab over here. You can see a particular payment over here like this, which will be imported from Xero to Odoo. And for overpayment and prepayment, we will go to the bills. And in the bills, we will see there will be some overpayments created. So this is the sign of the overpayment, which is this one, and here is the prepayment. So there are two things that will be imported from bills, overpayment and prepayment, and from the invoices, the payment. And all the payments or bills which all the invoices and payments which are imported, whose bills are created in Odoo only will be imported, not the other ones. Other ones will be omitted automatically, and whose invoices and bills are created in Odoo, only those payments will be imported. Now let's go into the process. So here first of all we will import the payment and let's execute it. So as the payments will be imported, we will open the instance. Here you can see there are three payments are imported. You can check this from the smart button as well. So here are the payments which are imported and they are all into the draft state. So as you can see the payment which has a payment type and ID both set up over here, and whenever you want to confirm it, you can confirm this payment from here, and you can also see the invoice that is associated with this particular payment from here, so you can check that invoice as well. So that is how your payment is imported from Xero to Odoo. Next is importing of your prepayment and overpayment. For that, let's go over here and import your prepayment. So let's execute it. So once that will be executed, it will be seen. So here is the prepayment that will be imported, and you can check that as well. I guess it is this one with the name. Let's delete from over here. So let's go to the bills and let's open it. So I guess it is this one. It's total credit of 340, which I showed you. So that was the prepayment that is done, which is this one, which is imported successfully, and it has the Xero payment type and ID as well. And the bill associated with the same is observed over here. Now next is your overpayment. So let's execute that as well. When we execute it, it can be seen in the same section, which is over here. So overpayment is also seen, which is this one, and it is seen over here along with the details over here. It will be in the draft state now, and then it will be created in Odoo. And you can also see the payment ID and type over here. So that is all about your overpayment process, and I can tell you that over here as well. So here when we go to the bills, here is the overpayment. You can check the same, and it is for rupees 800, and that is what we saw over here, which is this one. So it is successfully imported. You can check the logs as well. So 3 logs are created for the payment, prepayment and overpayment over here, and it is done properly. And the payment can be done in your automation as well. So as I showed you, there is this automation that we can run in the background, and all of them will be imported from Xero to Odoo automatically. So this is the process. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you configure it for store. Our team will be there to help you out, or you can write back to us at sales@technologies.com. Thank you.